Hello everyone, I am Guangzhou Huaisheng Packaging Materials Co. Limited, Marketing Director Angel. Today I will introduce a popular video gift box recently, also known as LCD gift box. And its main purpose is to give you an unboxing experience. Because when you open the box, and then it will play our customer's brand video. It can be your new product launch or a brand introduction of your company. It has a very visual experience, and when you close it, it will automatically turn off the sound. This gift box mainly comes from our American customer who makes figurines about Disney animations, such as Star Wars and various famous animations. So it uses Disney's authorization. So our company, we have also obtained a license from Disney. If you have any needs in this regard, we can meet your needs. This kind of box, gift box, it brings a strong visual experience, but generally, the size of the box will be relatively large. In this case, we have also developed a foldable video gift box. It also has a video Your body must have very well to smell your dream. It can be folded and flattened for shipment. Of course, we will do for the screen. We will take some overall protection measures. When shipping, we will use some pearl cotton and sponge to protect the screen to prevent it from being damaged during transportation. The electronic screen is damaged. Generally speaking, what scenarios can this gift box be used in? For example, when a new store opens, maybe you have a brand and many chain stores. You want to put one of these boxes in each store to display some stories of your brand, and also for your new product launch event. Generally, at a new product launch event, you don't want to emphasize your new products to the guests. To emphasize the features of your new products, you can use this video gift box to directly play, which will give people a stronger visual impact. And it's easier to remember some features of your new products. The cost of making the box is the same. It's just that the screen is more expensive. And the LCD screen, because it contains a lithium battery and a rechargeable battery. So for customs clearance, the qualification requirements are very high. We have a complete set of qualifications to help customers export, which is no problem at all. It can also be sent to Disney to a designated laboratory for some radiation and interference resistance tests, and it will pass without any problem. The main reason is that the screen is expensive. This screen is divided into different sizes. There are about 3, 5, 7 inches and 10 inches each type, according to the customer's requirements. To customize different sizes, the price will be different. It's about from 50 to over 100 yuan. The screen and the chip are also related. If the materials for the current chips are rising. So relatively speaking, the cost of the screen will also increase. So it's also related to the chip. If customers want, we put the content of this video before making the box. They need to provide this file first and give it to us. We will check if the file is available. And it's like a mobile phone. It will be divided into different sizes. Some are 1 gigabyte and some are 256 megabytes. It's related to the playing time and the size of the content to be played. Of course, if the customer wants to change the content later, we provide a rechargeable USB cable. It can be plugged in by itself. To plug into the USB interface and then connect it to the computer and replace the video content inside to replace it. It's very simple. It's the same as downloading things on your phone. You don't have to worry about this, like this one is used to hold figures. For figures, and the figurines are very memorable. Everyone will put them at home as a collection. So they will use this kind of, another kind is for customers' anniversary, to give to some important guests, or for new product launches, or some high-end places. they will use this kind of gift box because the cost is relatively high. It can't be used as an ordinary packaging box, right?